Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your connection is not private error. So let's get into it. Number 1. Reload the page. If you see the your connection is not private warning message, you should first try to reload the page. While this might seem too obvious, it does work most of the time. Number 2, don't use public Wi-Fi. Using a public network like a cafe or an airport Wi-Fi is the most common reason users encounter this error. Instead of using public Wi-Fi, try loading the website while connected to a private network like your home Wi-Fi or mobile data. Number 3, use incognito mode. To use the incognito mode on Chrome, click the three dots at the top right corner and select New Incognito Window. Number 4. Clear your browsing data. One method to try when experiencing the your connection is not private error involves deleting the data your browser has stored, such as cookies, images, and files. To clear the browser cache on Chrome, first, click the three dots at the top right corner and select History. Hit the Clear Browsing Data option on the left. Tick the boxes under the Basic tab to clear your browser's cache and cookies or navigate to the Advanced tab for more options. From the Time Range drop-down menu, select All Time. That's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.